I'm wondering. Hello, everybody. Welcome to BitBrothers Crypto. The question today is: what if you had a time, if you had a chance to go back in time and buy crypto again? Guys, we're having this chance right now. Right now, be aware. Be aware. We are having this chance right now. I'm gonna show you here why, where you could have bought this months ago, years ago, and we are creating this opportunity, and why we believe we have bottomed. Okay, so that means anytime you buy right now is probably the best chance of your life. Remember that everything that we say here is not financial advice, guys. Please remember that. Okay, it's just opinion of someone who are passionate about crypto, and I think it can change lives, especially in the near future. And if you it's your first time in the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share our content so more people come to this amazing world of crypto. Okay, of course, guys, every world, every community has its problems, and we always have some scams and problems in crypto, but do not take that as a main thing as many people are taking. Went into the market, lost money, left the market. Okay, so let's quickly see how is the market today, and I'm gonna bring some news on ETH and the rest of the market, so you think you can best do for trading and taking profits in this market. So, guys, we're just below $1 trillion again. Bitcoin dominance, same as yesterday, pretty much. A little bit less on Bitcoin, 39.2%, and ETH 19.6. So that means the altcoins are still quite strong. Look at this, the stable coins, third, fourth, sixth place stable coins. So that's really, really crazy. Say everything in the red. So that means also remember the saying, buy the red, sell the green. Okay, so probably not a good time to buy. And Avalanche 19 after the scandal that they're being kind of suing different companies to take their attention away from them. So this was really bad, but they're suffering now with price of $19. Okay, if you trust the ecosystem of Avalanche, it will be an amazing opportunity. We don't know what's going to happen now because of that FUD, but again, the market is always like this. Look at this: Cosmos at 12, Near Protocol 4, Chainlink is 6.66. Oh man, that's just crazy. Chronos at 11 cents for a long time. Flow at $2. Algorand VeChain at 2 cents. So yeah, let's quickly check the winners of the week. Terra Classic USDC at 3 cents is the winner of the week with 40. That's, guys, look what's happening in this world. Okay, I saw people talking about Luna C. It's increased 176%. I don't know why he should be here as well, but apparently it's just crazy that this happens. Terra Luna and going up. The losers of the day is Helium. Let's go back then, check where Terra Luna, and let's check in 24 hours. Let's see. No, it's not that. Let's see if they're here, guys. Luna Classic. Yeah, there's the bubble. There's a graphic, it's called the bubble graphic, which just shows all the coins, the markets in the bubble, and it shows that Luna C is increased a lot. It's crazy, and then by showing Terra Luna here, the USDTC, but I don't think it's that. So anyway, guys, so what we have for today again, let's just see coins that I really, really like and the price they are now, and where were these prices before in the past. Okay, so this is the old time. Today we are here, and this is the same price that we are
What's
in.
up?
Hey, Casca. So,
What's up?
guys, the same price of a pretty much more than almost no, one year ago, isn't it? No, more than 1 year. 14th of January. So yeah, 14th of January 2003, 2 years ago. So you taking the price of ETH today at almost 2 years ago. Okay, Casca, I was talking about about the title, like where we are. You muted.
What if we could go back in time? Papa, if we could go back in time, if I'll bring you back to 2017, just before the crash in beginning of 2018, and you knew that Bitcoins or any other coins would go all the way down. But the thing is now, the amazing thing is that you would know the scenario. So I'm gonna put Bitcoins. Look how crazy is this. So before anything else, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family here, guys. Everybody. So listen up. What if I'm sounding like a
You sound like a parrot.
I broke a record. What if back to the future? Back from the future, not to the future, back from the future. But back to the future.
Guys, but I said to them, Casca, basically at the moment we are now, we are in the past, really.
Exactly. So this is why, guys, if we zoom out, Papa was just telling you this as well. If we zoom out here, is literally if we have gone back here all the way on the first ever big top of big all-time high of Bitcoins in 2017. Now, forget about this, okay? Forget about this big here. Forget about this run here, range, and forget about this. But this, what you're watching today here, okay? We are in 2017, me and Papa. We came from the future, just to speak to you. And now I'm telling you, the guys, look, I know it's 17, it's 19,000 now, okay? But I can tell you for a fact that Bitcoins will go to an all-time high of 69,000, okay? And then me in 2017 going to you, bitch what? No, it's a scam, man. This thing is scam. This thing is just to take your money out. What do you mean? 10,000 to 17, 19,000 to a digital money? What are you talking about? Well, no, it's a scam, man. You're crazy. 2017, 2018, 2019, 20, 21, 22, 21. In 5 years, dear friend of mine, you will probably reach 69,000 to this coin. And in 2023, 24, or even 25, maybe we go over 150,000. No, you crazy. Well, I'm telling you, I'm from the future. I've been there. I've seen it. I'm from the future. I've seen it. So, and then I brought with me a picture to show you. And this is the picture I have. Look here, what's going to happen in 5 years, okay? This giant iceberg here, okay? We are just on the tip. This is the tip. We are now on the tip of the iceberg. And I'm going to tell you a secret, okay? But keep for you, because I want you to become rich, because if you become rich, I become rich, right? Because I am you from the future, right? So this channel here is us from the future telling you this. I will tell you something even more. In the future, we're going to have over 20,000 coins. 90% is going to be shit coins, okay? 90% is going to be shit coins, okay? They're not going to be, they're going to dump, pump and dump. And you will believe it's a scam, okay? But the majority of the coins, okay, that you look here in 5 years, it will go to the all-time high, okay? So if you're getting early, I mean, you will find Solana at $31. Okay? I'm telling you just now 31, but Solana without went to 250. Né? And there is possibility there of going back to that all-time high. So keep your eyes checking. Now, let me open here, and I'm going to tell you, what if you could have gone back in time, having the knowledge of all these understandings that you have today, but you are in 2017, too many coins. What would you do? Now I'm going to tell you, you are there. In reality, we live in 2022, but in prices of the coins, in understanding of assets, in everything being very low, 95% down. We are in 2017, beginning of 2018. Now, the advantage and the good thing is for you now that maybe your future self will thank you is how you're gonna deal with the tokens that there is there, how you're gonna study them. So the important thing now is for you to do your homework. Don't panic buy, panic sell. Understand with the knowledge that you already have which coins will make you that giant leap that we saw there in history happen in 2017. If somebody told you to buy Bitcoin, you would say to them, go and off, because this is a scam. This is not going to happen. But I'm telling you, maybe this is the opportunity of a lifetime to jump in, and maybe not, maybe not, because we're not financial advisors. Okay, we're just two guys on the YouTube. But maybe in 5 years from now, you're gonna come back to this video and you're gonna write a message. I'm coming from the future, and in 2022, you guys told me to be careful, to do my research, to understand the token, and I just came here from the future to tell you guys that I am a millionaire, and I thank that to you. Perfect. And then you find us, send us some crypto as a present, right? Some Bitcoins for me and Papa, because we deserve. So it's, guys, this was a Back to the Future thing. I also did a video for my other channel about this. It's literally explaining this idea, because we maybe are going through an opportunity of a lifetime, that we actually on the bull market, on the last bull market last year, 9 months ago, 10 months ago, everybody was, I remember telling Papa, oh my God, Papa, if we were here in 2017, or if we were here. And the only thing we were saying was, no, it's okay. We are gaining knowledge. Just to get now, not to everything, of course, but to the majority of good coins, actually, price-wise, going back there. But the amazing thing with the knowledge that we have now, so we're not going to be shooting in the dark. We actually understand more or less what should we do, how we should do, where we should put the money, what is this, what is that, how does it work, what's the risk, this, and this. So the opportunity is being presented to you today. 1st of September, 2022, AK, 1st of September, not 1st of September, but year 2017. We just brought you back to 2017. And now, my friends, you have some homework to do. And I hope in 5 years from now, you will have a smile wallet, a digital wallet smiling back at you saying, thank you very much for what you did in 2022. Massive crash with recession, everything. You went through, you believed, and that's it. Unless you are a crypto tourist. You are here just for the quick bucks. As you know, me and Papa, we skim the game. We are a long-time investor. We're not traders. So if you're a trader and you're doing leverage, all of this, shorting and stuff like this, bye-bye, sorry, long farewell. You're going to get wrecked, and you will probably not succeed. Even if you're an expert, sometimes even the expert gets shorted because the crypto market is unpredictable. It's very difficult to predict. You have just to try to guess. So if you are like us, long-term investors, not only this, real believer that crypto will be here on the next bull market. And then one thing that we can be sure is we will have a bull market. But now the thing is, what project will be here that is worthwhile investing your hard-earned money? That's the question. And that's why we are here. BitBrothers, just because of that, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family. Because I tell you, if in 2017, somebody like us crazy like me and Papa, came to you and said to you exactly what we just told you now, you would say to us, coffee. So now I'll leave with you. I'm gonna zoom out.
Beautiful, beautiful zoom out. So, okay, guys, nice one. Yeah, I think, it's very important for you guys to understand also that we probably have bottom on the market. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you here. Root, the rational root is one of my favorite here as well. So my favorite two bottom indicators just crossed Bitcoin. Okay, so all-time highs, the blue floor is the dark. The dark blue, and root CVVDD is the grain. So they just crossed here, and so that means every time they cross, we have a kind of pump. You can see here, yeah. And when as soon as it went below, we had the pump again, and we crossed down. So it's proven time and time again that this kind of, when the floor price is in, okay, of course you can see here that it went slightly below again. But another one that I saw is this one here, guys. This is an interview from Raul Pal saying, I'm not a believer we go to new lows. The risk asset markets has bottom. So Raul Pal shares his big picture framework on real vision. So I think I can play this to them, right, Casca?
Oh, Papa, we cannot see your screen.
No, man, I can't believe that.
Now we can.
Just share for me, yeah, because you put yours. Can you guys see this? My favorite two bottom indicator just crossed. So I said that the floor is the dark blue and the dark green. Just crossed here, and went boom, exploded. Little bit rally here, cross there, rally there. As soon as it touched, there's a rally. You can see here, we're touching again. So we could go slightly low, but and then come here.
The only thing about Raul Paul there, what I think is that we are those arrows. We are in different time of the economy as well. We need to always remember the economy, remember the recession. This time apparently is a completely different scenario from those other lows. Yeah. So be careful. Maybe you think, Raul Paul said it's not the bottom, and then you go.
No, he said it's the bottom. He said also it's the bottom. He said so.
No, I know, but he believes. Let's say this is the bottom, right? It will not go lower.
Yeah.
So imagine now we say, okay, Raul Paul said this is the bottom. Now we can start to put back money in because we're gonna go back up, and then have the crash. So remember, don't take our word for as a
no, but we keep saying this. What I
follow anybody else.
What I say to these guys is this: we probably have bottom. So that means in the long run, this is a good time to buy. I'm not talking for the short term, like maybe next week you go lower, maybe I believe that we're going to go lower after the ETH merge. Okay. That's what I said. I've been believing for a long time. I think from end of September until the middle of August, it's going to be middle of October. It's going to be one of the lowest points in crypto. I think we're probably going to truly bottom between mid of September to mid of October, maybe even end of October. We're going to find a bottom right there. That's what I believe. But following the indicators of everything, we have bottom.
I think 31st of October, last day.
Last day will be the bottom.
I think. Don't know.
According to your predictions.
According to my predictions, I think it says 31st of October. But it can be more or can be less. I mean, and I'm not, I don't have a crystal ball.
So again, and then coming to ETH, guys, we have this bottom of ETH. Alec Benjamin says a bottom of ETH around 1,500 or 1,550 before the 2nd September pump. Time too long, Anon. Will you? And then he said, I think he said before that, here's how I random city Anon think the market will be next few weeks. New till 1st of September. Moon starts on 1st of September, end of the day. So basically today, at the end of the day, he says he expects that everything's going to start to rise. Let's see if this plays out. Okay, then send me the comments. Wow, it plays out really well, or no, it haven't played out. Okay, like once again, guys, everything's speculation, but this might plays out to be kind of incredible. So from the 2nd to the 3rd of September, ETH goes to above 1750 plus, and then full on mega nuke. Okay, so that means it's gonna be higher before the merge. Okay, so and then he says he opened a 10x long position around 1557 range. I'm on a mission to turn $150 to 10,000, inspired from the crowd traders, but I'm spicing things up as I also did some sports betting strategy. Current 660 with $150 is a 660. So basically the guy's a trader, and yeah, so he's watching the graphics, right? The analysis. And what the low cap crypto is like penny stock says Wolf of Wall Street. Okay, guys. So basically, we are leaving the penny stocks. Former stockbroker Jordan Belfort, known colloquially as the Wolf of Wall Street, has likened low market cap crypto assets to penny stock due to their extreme price volatility. Penny stocks refers to high speculative shares priced under $1 from small and unknown companies. Generally, they either fetch massive returns for investors or crash and burn dramatically. Belfort rise to prominence in the 90s and eventual run in with the Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC was in part due to brokering deals for these stocks. So guys, he's the Wolf of Wall Street, the story where, he made loads of money and the SEC got him and all of that. So, and then he says with those ultra low cap deals, wow, you get a hold of one of those things at the right time, you can make just massive money. But on the flip side of that, you are playing in someone's playground. You are not the house, they are the house. So guys, we are in this time again where we kind of have so much coins, so much potential there. But like I wanted to show you that this can be played out as of these penny stocks. Everything can burn to the ground and you can lose all your money, and this is serious. Okay, there are many YouTube channels who are sponsored by projects, and they bring the projects on because they are sponsored, and then people like buy their coins and then they lose all their money. So if you do that, it's on your own fault. Do not blame the channel, okay? Do not, even if they say if they don't mention they're sponsored by the channels, but most of the time they are. That's why we don't stick to one, because we're not sponsored. And I said to Cask, once we are, we're probably going to be able to tell you that we are sponsored by that. Many channels, they do. They say, look, full disclosure, we've been sponsored by this project, and then they explain about the project. But of course, it's always on your own due diligence. Okay, guys, do your own studies and buy with your own responsibility. Do not blame the market. Do not blame influencers. Do not blame YouTube channels. It's your responsibility. Okay, so this is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother, and see you guys tomorrow.
Well, you guys, take it easy, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.